Hello, I'm Caty. Today I'm going to be playing Cat Sim again. Let's go into multiplayer. I hope my friend Hanksy Cat is coming. It's my friend forever. Now let's create a game. Let's go. Let's join the game. Okay, so let's get started now. It's loading up a relative camera when viewing the map. That's good, actually. Come on. Oh, there we go. It's loading up. It's loading up. It's loading up in my opinions. I hope my friend Hixie Cat is coming. He is my best friend forever, so let's go. Ah! Help! Help me! I chose the dog. Ah! Help! Help me! Help me! Ah! Ah! Help! 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 Phew! Finally, it's gone. I hope my friend Hixie Cat is coming, so I just escaped to join the game, Hixie Cat. I hope the stock will come. Let's go. Ooh, so many cars. Let me cross the road. Oh, oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Where's my friend? Where is my friend? Ow! No, not a car. Finally, it's here. Where was my friend? Oh, who? You're here, my friend. Oh, hey again. How are you, my friend? Doing some great things. Why is the fighting button? It's just for the glance of the gunfight. Huh? What the hell? Like this. Stop it! Ow! Hey, why? Why did you do that, Handsy Cat? If you're doing that again, we're not gonna be best friends forever. Okay, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, I'll forgive you. So don't even dare touch me again, okay? Alright, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. Change it to this. No, great. Done. Okay, let me change it to there. Okay. Come on, let's fight the boss. Come on, let's go. I'm coming. Let's go to my house. Whew, I'm here in my house. Come on, let's go to Yes. Huh? What the? Where is the couch and where's the so many? I don't know, my friend. Come on, let's go. Let's fight a boss. Okay. Let's go to this. Okay. I coming as well. Just a snake. Not an eagle. Man. Come on, my friend. Let me fight a boss. Oh, what am I back here again? Come on, my friend. I want to find a boss. Okay, I'm coming. Alright. Where are you? I'm just here. What is that noise? Never mind. Ah, help! Help! No. I don't want to fight any animals. I want to fight a boss. Come on, friend. No. Come on, my friend. I can't fight that long and phew. Okay, let me find a boss. Come on, let's go. Here. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, you're here. Let me go here. My legs are hurt. Let me change. Wait a moment, my friend. No, not snake. Ow, no! Stupid snake. Hey, don't say bad word. Sorry, Hinksy Cat. It's okay, Caty. Oh, my friend is here finally. You're here finally. Yeah. Come on, friend. Let me fight a boss. Oh, it's here. It's here, the boss. Let me fight. I'm gonna fight as well. Come on, come on. My goodness. Come on, think about this fight, boss. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm gonna wait a bit. Okay, I'm just fighting a boss. Whoa, your dress is so cool. Thanks, I guess. I'm not tired at all. Let's fight. I did it! We did it! Yay! I level up. Come on, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, I'm coming. Huh? Where are you? I can't see you here. Okay, I'm coming back. I'm coming. Okay. I'm here. Okay, come on, let's go back. Okay, come on, let's go. Here. Okay. Come on, my friend. Okay, I'm coming. It takes so long to go. Okay, fine. My legs are tired. Can you just run normally? Come on, my friend. You can't take so long. I am coming. Do you remember, my friend? Yes. I'm so tired of running very, very fast. Oh my god. My legs are tired. Oh, you're here, my friend. Where are you, my friend? Here I am. Okay, so let's go to the back. Okay. Let's find another boss, my friend. Fine, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go. Okay, I'm coming as well. Yes, I'll join. Let me find another boss, okay? What should I fight? Oh, a bear. Let's go. Okay, I'll come too. Okay. Oh, you're here. Let's go. Where is the bear boss? Follow me. I can show you right there. Okay. Not coming as well. It takes so long to wait. I'm tired of running fast. Oh my god. I'm tired. Come on, my friend. Let's fight the bear. Yes, but I'm running slow. Can you please wait? Yes. Good. Hmm. Never mind. Oh, oh, I'm here finally. Uh, my legs are tired. Oh yeah, finally you're here. Finally you're here, my friend. Okay, let me change. I'm done. Let me change too. Done. We like both. Funny. Let's fight a bear. Yeah, let's go. Let me fight as well. I hope you don't come to me. Uh, hmm. Uh, uh. Why is it taking so long? It's not taking that long, my friend. Okay. We did it! We did it, my friend. You're my best friend. Yeah. You're my best friend too. Yeah. Let's go back. Mm, um, I have to go now. My mom is calling me. Bye. Bye. Okay. Sweetie, it's time to eat. That's my dad. I gonna go now. It is nice meeting you, my friend. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.